Good morning Year 1 and welcome to today's maths lesson. Today we are learning to subtraction by counting back, and we've already been looking at some of this already. We're going to continue to look at it today. So let's get ready by warming up our brains. So question 1. What is 1 less than 16? What's 1 less than 16? So if I am doing less, my number is getting smaller. So if I have 16 and I take 1 away, so we count back 1. So we know 16 is 10 and a 6, so 1 less would be a 10 and a 5, which is a 15. So 1 less than 16 is 15. What is this take away this? So what number have we got here? We've got 1 10 stick and 5 ones. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what is 15 take away how many? 1, 2, 3. 15 take away 3. Now remember, we're not adding. These aren't being added together. We are taking them away. So we're going to take off 3. So 1, 2, 3. So 10 and a 2 now. So what's 10 and 2? 10, 11, 12. Well done. So 15 take away 3 is 12. Fantastic. Now let's go down to here. If 19 take away 5 is 14, so 10 and a 9 take away 5 is a 10 and a 4, that's right, 14, then 19 take away 4 is what? So can we remember we did this the other day, so 19 is a 10 and a 9, and I'm going to show you my numerical because that will be easier. So 19 is a 10 and a 9, and we are taking away 5. So I'm going to take away 5 here. So then I get left, so I put this 5 on top, you can see that it's taken away. So now I've got this 4 and this 10, which makes 14. What they're saying is that 19 take away 5 is 14. So 19 take away 4, so if I just take this 4 down here, would be what number? It will be 15. Because whether or not you take away the 5 or the 4, it's just still those 3 numbers. So that's 15. Now what is missing? So we've got our part whole model here, and we've got our whole number, and we've got 1 part, but we're missing a part. How can we work out the answer? Yeah, we can take this from here. So if we take this from here, it will show us what goes here. Because remember, if we add these 2 together, it should make this. Whereas if we use this to take either one of these away, it will make the missing gap. So 15 take away 5. So if we have 15 and I take away 5, how many have I got? Just a 10 piece, well done. Because if we add 10 and 5 together, we get 15. Well done. Right, now let's get on with today's learning. So subtraction, counting back. We're looking at 12 take away 4. What's the first thing we've got to do when we start to subtract? Find our biggest number. So let's find 12, which is here. And how many are we counting back? 4. Well done. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 12, count back 4 is how many? It's 8. Well done. So the answer is 8. 12 take away 4 is 8. Right, next we've got another number track here. And this time we're starting with 12 again. We're taking away 4. So 12 take away 4. Oh, I can count back 4. 12, 11, 10 and 9. Huh. But we just did it on the other side and it wasn't 9. What's Tiny got wrong? So it says, remember to count back 4. Now he's counted 4 numbers, 12, 11, 10, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. What has Tiny done wrong? Let's do it for him. So 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps, 4 jumps. So we get the answer as 8 again. What Tiny did wrong is he didn't jump. He just counted. He went 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's how we got 9. You need to make sure you're doing the jumps. We do 4 jumps, not 4 numbers. Okay? So 12 take away 4 is 8 again. Right, Tiny, you're going to have another go. Tiny's going to do 13 take away 4 this time. So, it's found 13. Let's count back 4. 1, 12, well done. 2, 11, 3, 10, 4, 9. So 13 take away 4 is 9. Well done, Tiny, you got that right. Okay, let's have a look at counting back on the number line here. So 13 take away 4, we've just done that with Tiny. So we know the answer there is 9. Now 15 take away 8. So I would like you to show me on your number line 15. Now count back 8. That's quite a lot. Let me try on mine. I'm going to start with 15. Can you find 15 on your number line? Now can you count back 8? It's quite long. What number did you get? Let me try. So I found 15 and I'm counting back 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got to the number 7. Did you get to the number 7? Fantastic. So the answer to this one would be 7. Right, next one. 11 take away 6. Can you find 11 on your number line, please? And now can you count back 6? What number do you get to? Let me try. So I need to find 11. I'm going to count back 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I ran out of number line. What have I done wrong? I've done something wrong. So I was on 11 and I should be counting back 6. So let's see if I've done the right amount of jumps. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've only done 5 jumps. What's wrong? I can see. What I've done here is I've done double jump. I've missed out number 10. Instead of doing that, I'm supposed to do this. I'll show you the way it's supposed to go. So, I'm supposed to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then that makes my number line. And what number goes here? Do you know? You're right. It's the number 5. Well done. I chopped it off on the end to see if you would remember. So we've got 13 take away 4 is 9. So 13 to 9. 15 take away 8 is 7. And 11 take away 6 is 5. Well done. Now let's have a look at this one. There were 13 muffins. 6 muffins were eaten, probably by Mrs. Stone. How many muffins are left? Okay, so what do we need to do here? We need to work out how many muffins were left. How many did we have in the beginning? Okay, remember. 13. There were 13 muffins. So we need to put 13 in our number because that's what we're starting with. Now, how many did Mrs. Stone eat? 6. She's going to feel sick. 6 muffins. 6 muffins were eaten by Mrs. Stone. So there was 13, she's eaten 6. How many have we got left? Shall we have a look at our number track? So we find 13, we go 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many muffins have we got left? 7 muffins. Fantastic work. Let's try our next one. So, oh, this is a word. This isn't a number, this is a word. 12 snowflakes fell on my glove. 7 snowflakes melted. How many snowflakes are there? So we had 12. Can you find 12 on your number line? And then 7 have melted. So can you jump along 7 as if you're taking 7 away? And what number have you got to? So I'm going to do this with my number line. So I'm going to start with 12. I'm going to count back 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What answer have I got to? 5. Well done. Did you get 5 as well? Fantastic. 5 snowflakes. Now, this is big numbers. There were 17 cars in a car park. 17. Can you find 17 on your number line? After school, only 9 cars are left. How many cars drove away? So we did have how many in total? We did have 17, so we put 17 at the front. How many cars were left? 9. So, what we've got here is we need to find out the middle number. So we had 17, some drove away, but we don't know how many, and now we've only got 9 left. How can we work this out? Had 17, now we've only got 9. 17 to 9. What can we do? Let's see. So we're going from here to here. So this many is what has driven away. How can we work that out? We can still do our jumps, can't we? And then we can count our jumps, and that's how many would have driven away. So 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it must be 8 cars drove away because we had 17 and now we've only got 9. So it must be this amount of cars that drove away. Well done. Now let's go on to today's worksheet and see if that is as tricky as these questions. Right, here's today's worksheet. So we're going to start with number 1. I'm going to read it to you. It says, there are 15 cookies in a jar. So we've got a jar of cookies and inside is 15. Mo eats 7. How many, he counts back 7 cookies. How many cookies does Mo have left? So he's already drawn it on our number track for us. So he had 15, he's jumped back 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many have we got now? What number have we landed on? 8. Fantastic. Right, use the number track to help you here. So 12 take away 4. All we've got to do is answer 12 take away 4. And we're lucky with this question. They've already done the jumps for us. So they found 12 and they've counted back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what number have we landed on? 8. Now this time we're starting on 12 and counting back 5. So let's find 12. I'm going to count back how many? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number have I landed on? 7. Now again we're starting with 12 again. And this time we're counting back 7. Let's do 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number am I finishing with? 5. Well done. Now use the number line to help you. So this time we're using a number line very similar to a number track. So 11 take away 4. Now they've already done this one for us. So they started with 11 and they've counted back 4. Let's check though. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what number do we finish with? 7. This one is 16 take away 9. So we're going to go along and find 16. And how many are we counting back? 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we've landed on the number 7. This one here, 14 take away 11. That's a big number. So we're going to find 14. I'm going to count back 11 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 jumps. So it lands on number 3. Right, done. Now our last question down here says, there are 13 toys in a box. So I'm going to circle 13. Kim takes some toys out of the box. So you have a box, 13 toys are inside. Kim is taking toys out. There are 5 toys now left in the box. How many toys did Kim take out? So this is like our question before, where we have the answer, we have 13, we've taken away a number. We don't know what that number is, but now we are left with the number 5. So we had 13, we've taken away some, and now we've got 5. We're going to try and work this out by using our jumps and then counting how many jumps we did to get to 5. So let's find 13, yeah? And what number do we need to get to? 5. So find 5. Now we've got to do the jumps and then finish at 5. So do all of these jumps first. Now let's count how many jumps we've done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 jumps. So we had 13, then Kim took some out and we've had 5, and we found out that Kim took out 8. She got 8 toys in the box. Fantastic. Okay, you one. That was our subtraction lesson for today. You're all finished for today. I will see you for more home learning soon. Bye.